Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide last seen on WhatsApp app. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. And now let's begin. Here we are on the Help Center article of WhatsApp, and this is exactly how you can remove or hide last seen. So first, you will want to go to your privacy settings into your WhatsApp app, and simply you will find it by clicking on your profile picture or on your picture at the top corner, and after that, you will want to go to privacy. By clicking on privacy, you will have a choice of last seen in the online. After clicking on it, you will want to choose who want you to leave this feature on. And that means if you have everyone selected, everyone will see the last scene or your last scene. Otherwise, if you choose my contacts, you will choose the contacts that you want to see your last scene. And the same goes for all the other options. And if you want to hide it permanently for everyone or totally for everyone, you will need just to click on nobody. Note that by hiding last seen on other people, you won't be able also to see their last seen. So as you can see here, if you set your privacy settings to not share your last seen, if you don't share your last seen, you can see others contacts last seen. And by that, you will be able to hide yours and you won't be able to see others people last seen. And the same you can do for iOS. You will want to simply go to the settings and privacy, and after that you will do the same steps. So for Android and iOS, they will have the same option to hide your last scene. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.